How to buy Pablo the Rock token. So this token came under the symbol of Pablo. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use goes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, go and engage with their community on X. They have 205 members there. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 14 hours ago and increased by 123% in less than 4 hours. This token also trending number 11 in the Solana section. Now, I will show you how to buy this token. Now, click here to copy the token address. Now, open your funds wallet for that. Now, click here on swap. Make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now, click here and paste token address in the search bar, as you can see. Now, after that, click on your token and click on I understand. Now, here you can type how much you want to buy. So this is you will be able to receive of that token. After that, click here on swap and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Pablo token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.